We are back on page 24 in the blue Unit 8 homework packet, working on number 7 and 9. You are responsible for the evens, just a reminder. If we look at number 7, I've already set up our x and our box, so we need to factor out this trinomial. If we look at this, we're going to multiply our a and our c, and we end up getting 18. Our b value is 11, that stays the same. So we're trying to find the factors of 18 that if we were to add them together, the sum would be 11. So 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. I know when I add 2 and 9, I get 11. So 2 and 9 are what we're going to use. I keep 3x squared plus 9x plus 2x. And then I have my plus 6. So I'm going to look in this first column. I've got only an x in common. And here I have 3x. I look here up and down the second column and I get a 3, positive 3. I look across the second row and I get a positive 2. So I end up with the quantity of 3x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 3. So moving down to the next problem, there are two methods you can use to solve this problem. We are being told that there is a rectangular courtyard with a length of 2x plus 7 and a width of 3x minus 1. So here's a little visual for you along with our formula for area of a rectangle. Now you can either FOIL or use the box method. If you are to FOIL, when you're foiling, it's really important that as you work through the problem, you follow the steps. First, outer, inner, last. So we've got 2x plus 7 times 3x minus 1. So the first quantities are 2x times 3x, and we get 6x squared. Outer, 2x times negative 1, and we get negative 2x. Inner, 7 times 3x, and I get a positive 21x. And last, we have 7 times negative 1, so we get a negative 7. So we'll write it all out. 6x squared minus 2x plus 21x minus 7. Combine your like terms that are in the center, and you get a solution of 6x squared plus 19x minus 7. Let's fix that one. That's much better. So that would be our solution this way. If we use the second method, we're going to take all of the parts and put them on the outside, around the outside of the box. 2x, positive 7, 3x, negative 1. And now just multiply each of the sections. 6x squared, 21x, negative 2x, negative 7. Write it out just like before. 6x squared plus 21x minus 2x minus 7, and combine those like terms in the center. We get 6x squared plus 19x minus 7, just like we did before. So our final solution, the area for this rectangular courtyard, would be 6x squared plus 19x minus 7 units squared.